Fall is here, which is so exciting. Fall is my favorite season. I want to show you how to make this fun fall windsock. All you need is some construction paper and tissue paper and some festive fall colors and a toilet paper roll, and you'll need tape and scissors to put it all together. Then you can hang this in your window or on your covered porch and it'll just look fun and colorful for the fall. You stand up for 1 second around here and a cat steals your seat. Aren't those fun? I definitely use bigger pieces of tissue paper on this one I just made than on my original one, but I think they both look nice. I'm definitely hanging these in my windows.